Hey, and welcome to our latest video, how to use a barcode scanner for selling online with Shopify. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to show you how you can use a barcode scanner to get started with selling online with Shopify. Now, there are, of course, a couple of different types of barcode scanners you can use. Here we have the Socket Mobile, which is compatible with the Shopify point of sale terminal. We're also going to show you a different type of barcode scanner. You can also use a more generic model like this Symcode model that's available off Amazon. Either will work for this purpose. It just depends on your setup, what you're looking to accomplish. If you do need one compatible with Shopify point of sale, if you're going to be using the Shopify point of sale terminal, you'll want to get started with the Socket Mobile scanner. But if you're just using the barcode scanner to be able to get your products online quickly, you can use any scanner you can purchase on Amazon or that you might have on hand already, like the Symcode brand one here. Next, you'll want to open Shopify. You can do this either on your mobile or your desktop. And then you'll want to open up the Scan to Sell app, which you can find on the Shopify App Store. Once you've paired your handheld Bluetooth scanner with your mobile device, you'll select the first option, which is Scan with a Scan Gun, and then scan the barcode of your first product. From here, using the barcode data, you'll see the data is cleaned. And then your product title, description, and related images appear. You can take the time to review the product title and description and make any changes and remove any of the images that you don't want to use in your product listing. You'll set your retail price, which is the price that the customers will see in your Shopify store, and then add the quantity that you have on hand, and then tap Create. Then your listing is live in your Shopify store. Thanks for checking out our latest video on how you can use a barcode scanner to get started selling online with Shopify quickly. Stay tuned and check out our latest videos coming soon.